Saving for education. The Schwab 529 College Savings Plan, managed by various states, offers tax-advantaged growth for future qualified expenses. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can open a Schwab-managed 529 plan, like the Schwab 529 Savings Plan from Kansas, even if you don't live in that state. The application asks for the beneficiaries, future students, info and your details as the account owner. You then choose investments, typically age-based portfolios or individual mutual funds. My crucial pro tip: get your state's tax deduction first. Many states offer an income tax deduction for contributions to their own 529 plan. Check if your state has one. If the deduction is valuable, use your state's plan. If not, or if your state doesn't offer one, then Schwab's low-cost plan is an excellent choice. Invest in education with a powerful tax advantage tool. Are you saving for your kids, grandkids, or even your own future education? For more family-focused financial guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.